have a perception about our country, and that perception we have made over time. But here, a public sector company, BHEL, is making a difference with their unique presentation to the Hannover Messe for the visitors who are coming there, representing India. And also you can see the professional way of their, showcasing the capabilities and the products of BHEL for the global market. So one person who played a critical role in this, Rajeev Kumar Gupta, he is the general manager for the international business. He came to Hanover before 2015, first time he came there. And from that time he have learned how to present India here, and that is something he made it marvelously with the exhibition stall and all those things you are seeing. He took a lot of initiative to do that. Sir, welcome to Machine Maker.
Thank you very much.
Sir, as I was just telling that India have a perception that we just gone and just put things up. But when we see BHEL, a public sector undertaking, it's completely different, looks so professional. How you came to this achievement?
This is learning by experience. Last time when we were here, it was India was the partner country. So we had come to have the first experience over here. And in fact, we learned a lot, at least I learned a lot. What I learned basically was that Hannover Messe is a place where the demonstrations or whatever you are showing over here is mostly related to innovation. And it is very important to show what is unique, what you can do. And then we had a discussion back in India, and we then decided that it is better to show our unique prowess, to show something which is our unmatched engineering and manufacturing capabilities. Therefore, we selected our exhibits and our translates and other things in a way which don't demonstrate our conventional products, which demonstrates what we have done on our own. For example, if you see this particular model which is here, it's a steam generator of 700 megawatt nuclear power plant. So we are trying to tell the world we can build a nuclear power plant on our own. The other exhibits which you see over there is satellite. This one is a satellite. So if you see the satellite, we are telling the world that whichever satellite of India goes into the space, they are powered by BHEL, not by any foreign organization. We make this space grade solar panels which can last in space for 30-35 years.
35 years?
Yes, without any this thing. We make the matching batteries for this thing, which is a lithium ions battery pack, specially designed for space applications. And we are one of the few companies in the world who can do that. So this is what we are trying to show over there.
The capability of India.
The capability of India. See, you can see there this space. Then we are demonstrating here something. It's a very unique product. People who know about it, they had really appreciated it. Today India is making their own fighter aircraft called Tejas. The problem while manufacturing this aircraft was how to dissipate the heat generated in the aircraft. This was a challenge for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So we came up to meet that challenge, and we have designed a lightweight aluminium heat exchanger which takes the inlet air at 359 degrees centigrade and the outlet is converted to 190. And then from 190 it is brought down to less than 60 degrees Celsius, so that your aircraft can work for a longer period. So this is a very unique thing. Nobody has helped us for this. Defense application, nobody is going to help you. So you have to do it on your own. So we can do it on our own. This is what we are trying to tell the world, that look, if you want to have an alternate manufacturing facility of very high precision and engineered equipment, we have the capability. We have the manufacturing capability, we have the design and engineering capability, and we can deliver you the world-class products because these are proven products. Today India is second to none in terms of space technology, or in terms of defense technology, or even in terms of coal technology also. See, we are developing this for the first time in the world, which is an ultra supercritical power plant. If you see over here, so yeah, this is what I want to tell you about. The temperature and the pressure levels, see how we have increased it. From 270 we have taken the 310, and from 600 to 720 degrees Celsius, the whole metallurgy of the equipment which is going over there had to be redesigned for it, has to be changed. Instead of using the steel, we are using some kind of a nickel and steel alloy. We have been able to achieve one of the biggest castings of nickel alloy material for the first time in the world. We are demonstrating these kind of things, and we are trying to tell here in the Hannover Fair that yes, India is today a technology leader also. Don't consider a technology follower. We can lead the technology, we can lead the manufacturing, we can manufacture any high precision heavy equipment you want for any sector, whether it is power, whether it is space, whether it is defense, whether it is renewables, even for solar. We are demonstrating over here that one of the largest floating solar power plant we have built in India. 100 megawatts solar power plant is completely on. It is there in Ramagundam in Andhra Pradesh. And now the second plant which we are building is 25 megawatts. So this is a completely floating solar power plant. Everything is in water. Whether it is a solar panel, whether it is cable, whether it is inverter stations are also made in water. So we are saving land. So these kind of new things we are coming up. So one of the idea was to tell people that what India has got, what India can offer them. They can look for alternative manufacturing places, facilities they have there in India. So they want an economical product, they can come to us. However, there was a second thing also which we wanted to come up over here. Even last time I came over here, I felt that whatever the new technology is coming up in the world, it is being demonstrated here. You might have seen it. Several things are there. So we also brought teams over here to have discussions on new technologies. And one of the major areas which we are looking forward is the hydrogen. So for hydrogen, we have been in discussions with Fraunhofer, we have been in discussions with many other organizations here during this exhibition, because this is a very good place for us to hunt for technology partners also. So if we establish a one-to-one physical connect with them, we can take it forward, and probably we will be able to work out a technology partner who can bring its technology in India through us to participate in the Indian development. So basically these two things are the major criteria for us. And I would like to suggest to other companies also that if you are looking for these kind of things where you want to demonstrate something unique, something which you have done. And the other thing is that if you are looking for something, then this is the right place to be. In one words, I can tell you that after having a look at this place, my team is now telling that we will start preparing today itself for the next Hannover Messe.
I'm telling you, it is something which even I was hearing you, it's so inspiring. We talk about India. Many times, when we go around this exhibition, there's around 4,000 exhibitors and we have very less exhibitors. With EPC, it is around 120 plus. EPC itself is around 50 plus, and we have other things. And the capabilities, we are not a technology follower, we are a technology leader. There are, we are not just saying we are exhibiting it, and you make India pride. And let me tell you, we all have this kind of perception. I was talking about perception in the beginning also, that government or the public sector undertakings are those people, okay, they got a very secured job, they got money, now they will sleep. It's not like that. The kind of work BHEL is doing, not only showcasing, they are telling, okay, let's go and check out what are the new technologies, what is hydrogen doing here, bring those technologies for India. I'm telling you, amazing, Rajeev ji. Meeting you is a pride for us. You are taking power of India to the world. Thank you for doing all these things.
Yeah, we would like to continue this thing, please, in future also, because this is one of the endeavors. When people look towards BHEL, they look towards that, yes, we will do something which will make India proud, and we are committed to that.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.